Yeah, I know. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Fit Man Style channel. My name is Ian. And before I get into the topic of this video, what's up? How y'all doing? I know I haven't been on here putting out content for you guys, but listen, life has been lifing. I was in a relationship, out of a relationship. I'm in grad school. I started my own business. I don't know if you guys can see, I Riley Media. It's my own photography and videography business. So that has pretty much been occupying my time. You know, one day turns into 2 days, 2 days turns into a week turns into 2 weeks, 2 weeks turns into a month of not doing content, and then a month into 2 months, and before you know it, it's like 4 months with no content. But I appreciate y'all because y'all keep rocking with me. I see the comments y'all been commenting on my old videos, and a couple of y'all have reached out on Instagram doing a wellness check to see if I'm doing okay. I'm fine. I'm doing fine. I will admit though, I did put on a couple of pounds, but hey, I'm still fit man style, and that just gives me motivation to lose those pounds. But I'm glad to be back, and what a way to be back. Talking about one of my favorite shoe brands, Beckett Simonon, and shout out to Beckett Simonon. Even during this hiatus that I had, they were still rocking with me. And again, very gracious enough for them to send me a pair of their shoes for me to review. At this point, I don't know how many Beckett Simonon shoes I got. I got quite a few. Let's face it, finding well-made, stylish loafers that are under 500, it's like finding a needle in a haystack. But that's where these Roy loafers come into play. I have not worn this. It's a straight out of the box. So this is going to be my first impression of these shoes. So let's get into it. And here we have the classic penny loafer with the strap going over the vamp. And this little gap right here in the strap, I've seen people put a penny in there. I'm not going to do that with this one. Clean lines, minimal stitching, beautiful leather. You can tell instantly this isn't your average department store loafer. I went with the dark brown color, which works with pretty much everything. It's the kind of shoe that you can easily dress up or dress down without trying too hard. Taking a closer look, what you're seeing here is an Italian pull-up leather. Now, pull-up leather is one of the highest and toughest grades of leather, uniquely known for its aging and patina development. So I can't wait to see how this will age and just patina well with time. They use Blake stitching, which makes it very flexible and resolable, which is very rare in this price range. The stacked leather heel gives it that elegant click when you walk. The leather insole will adapt to the shape of your foot. There's a steel shank in there for added support and balance. There's a rubber heel cap for better traction. And of course, this is water repellent. Fit-wise, I went with my normal size of size 11. And as with all of my Beckett Simonon shoes, it just fits like a glove. For me, I don't really have a break-in period with them. I've heard some people having a break-in period with their shoes, but I just haven't personally experienced that. No heel slippage, which is huge for loafers, and my no-show socks don't go underneath my foot, which I appreciate. If you do have wider feet, I recommend you sizing up or just checking Beckett Simonon's sizing guide, which is pretty detailed. Comfort-wise, they give you that cushioned insole leather lining. You feel secure but not stiff. Absolutely love how these shoes fit. Now, when it comes to versatility and style, these Roy loafers check all the boxes. I can wear them with jeans, chinos. These are, in my opinion, one of their more casual loafers. At first glance, you might confuse them with their Cohan loafers, which in my opinion, those ones look a little bit more formal than these. So those ones, you can wear those with a suit. The most I would dress these loafers up is probably with a blazer, a sport coat, and some nice slacks. These are shoes that elevate any look without screaming for attention. So what's the final verdict? Well, if you're looking for timeless loafers that look like they cost over $500, but actually are less than $250, then these Roy loafers are a solid buy. With the price tag of $239, I've hooked you guys up with a discount code FITMAN10 to bring that price tag even lower. So definitely check out the link below. I do earn a small commission if you guys choose to use that code. So hey, help a brother out. If you guys are no stranger to my Beckett Simonon content, I've spoken about this before. These aren't ready to wear shoes that are just stacked away somewhere. These are made to order, so it's gonna take a minute before you get them. I'm talking like 6 to 8 weeks. But you know when you get them, these are handcrafted quality delivered to your doorstep. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. Again, appreciate you guys for sticking with your boy during this little hiatus that I was on. I'm gonna try to be here and be more consistent with the content. Let me know if you've tried Beckett Simonon shoes before, especially their loafers. I would love to hear your thoughts about them. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this video and what you think about Beckett Simonon. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And until then, stay fly, stay fit.